Hello everyone and thank you for tuning in today. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a profile lock on your Netflix Android app. You'll learn how to access account settings, navigate privacy options, set a 4-digit PIN. First, open the Netflix app on your Android phone. Tap My Netflix at the bottom right of the screen to open your profile tab. Now, tap the three lines at the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, tap on Account. Now, scroll down until you find Privacy and Data Sharing and tap on it. Then, tap on Profile Lock. At this point, tap on Create a Profile Lock. Now, click on Confirm Password. Enter your current Netflix password and tap Submit. Finally, enter a 4-digit PIN that you'll use to lock your profile and then tap Save PIN. And that's it. Your Netflix profile is now protected with a PIN code. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more tech how-to content. Thanks for watching and take care.